So, CRO coin is back below 10 cents. Well, it was earlier today. What is going on? How's it going, Crow fam? Let's talk a little bit about CRO. It has been a while since I have gotten the opportunity to make a CRO video. My partner on the channel has been covering a lot going on with the Cronos ecosystem in his content ever since Maxi has been getting on camera and sharing some thoughts with the community. We've had a lot of engagement, a lot of fun, and I've been paying attention as well. I've just been talking about some other tokens as well. Well, keeping my eye on the prize here, looking at Crow, what's going on. And recently, a chart came to my attention that I want to discuss with you guys a little bit more. Talk to you guys in depth in this video about my mindset on CRO right now and where I'm at. Because I know that a lot of you out there have seen that, I've come out and I've said I believe that Crow is not only going to go to $1 in this bull market, but I believe that we could see a $2 to $5 Crow. Has that changed, or is that still something we can hope to see in this market? Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I'm Crypto Kep. Let's get into it. So again, here I am touching grass on a difficult day in this market. Now, what's very interesting is we had a little bit of a Cronos meme coin mania there for a while. That has cooled off pretty seriously over the last month. Some of these things are retaining their value decently well. For example, today, Mary and Ka, though they've come down from their highs, lately they've been pretty flat around these areas, and they actually have been retaining their value, honestly, in the last week, just as good, if not better, than CRO, depending on where you got in. And let's remember, guys, these memes, Mary and Crow with Knife, these are memes, right? A lot of risk in those. But there's something to be said about the whole meme coin mania going on in this bull market. Anyway, CRO, ever since I started trading this memes, has been anywhere around like 12 to 14 cents. And today, it's down to 10 cents. At one point, it was below 10 cents. So is this a fair price? Why did this happen? What can we expect next? Well, let's talk a little bit about it. This happened because right now, Bitcoin has been trading sideways over the last not just 3, but almost 4 months. Since Bitcoin has wicked above its previous all-time high about 3.5 months ago, the entire market has just been trading sideways. We had a little bit of a Cronos meme coin mania during this. That has now cooled off. And if you look at the charts today, you'll see Bitcoin's down. You'll see Ethereum is down 10% over the last 7 days at the time of this recording. You'll see that some of your most popular meme coins out there are down. Earlier today, or yesterday, I believe, Jasmine was doing really well. Crow was hanging in there, but it has been slowly falling down. And why is this? It's because of the entire crypto market. Guys, we are in a bull cycle. Well, we've had the first phase, which is kind of coming out of the bear market. We've kind of had the second phase, which was meme coin mania, some beautiful gains, everything really coming up from its bottom, having a good roar. And now we're kind of in phase, I don't know what, phase is exact, 3 or 4, right? We are moving, right now phase 3, I guess, would be, it's quiet, too quiet, right? Things are calm. Everybody's waiting for the explosion. Patience is running thin. Phase 4 is when we get that big explosion. Altcoins explode, Bitcoin breaks to parabolic highs, and then the altcoins explode. Is Crowcoin's valuation fair right now? I'd say yes. The reason being is because we don't really have any altcoins particularly exploding. Solana exploded a while ago. That has really done nothing since it took out its highs in the beginning of this bull market. We had Pepe rallying a little bit, Brett on base, a meme, right? We had the Cronos memes rally a little bit. But since the bottom, Crowcoin was at 4 cents. It came all the way up to 19 cents at one point. It had a good move, just like Solana went from $8 all the way up to 200 and change. Solana went up a little higher. A lot of coins outperformed Crow, and some coins didn't outperform Crow. The thing about CRO token is right now, you got to look at its valuation versus Bitcoin. Because if you take a peek at that chart, and I'll show you it in my studio tomorrow when I do my video where I can share my screen, you will see that right now CRO is at its all-time lows, really close, getting closer to its all-time lows versus Bitcoin. Now that is bad news and good news. It's bad news because that means that CRO hasn't been performing well, obviously. It's good news because that means that the pain should, hypothetically, almost be over. Because once we see CRO bottom against Bitcoin, that would mean that at that point, it's at the bottom. And where can you go from the bottom? Up. If you look at CRO's all-time high versus Bitcoin, you will see that to the previous all-time high versus Bitcoin, you're looking at about 1,100% gains, which is, basically, an 11x from here. That's just to the previous highs. That's $1. But to that $2 to $5 price level, you're looking at a 20 to 50x opportunity. And that is something, can we expect that for CRO? I do believe we can, but the hard truth of it is, we might not see that till the very end, grand finale, fireworks show, bing, bang, boom, part of the bull market. I'm talking about when Bitcoin is already past $100,000. Where's Bitcoin going to go from there? Is it going to go to 200? Is it going to go to 150? Who knows? But at that stage in the game where we're seeing altcoins rally, Cronos will rally. It will rally. I don't think it's going to rally as fast as everything else, but every single bull market, at the very end, it has an insane run. Now, that could change. I don't know the future. This is not financial advice. I can't give you financial advice because I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a regular guy who has been in cryptocurrency since 2016. I've been in CRO since 2018. I've been in CRO since its MCO days, since it was the crypto.com coin, to now it's rebranded to Cronos, to talk a little bit about the Cronos chain. Blacksea's been saying that, he wishes that crypto.com would promote their chain a little bit more. I agree with that. He wishes that they would promote their coin a little bit more. I would agree with that. And so what I may be doing here is trading a little bit more around with my Cronos coins, using my CRO bag as fuel to make money trading, and then taking profit back into CRO. Just as I've done with my Stacks tokens and the Stacks token ecosystem, just as some people are doing with meme coins on Solana, just as you might be doing with Ethereum and some Ethereum-based tokens, which is exactly what people were doing in the previous bull market during that ETH DeFi summer that we had. So, couple things to keep in mind, guys. One, this bull market is literally not even halfway done, right? Maybe it's halfway done. But we still haven't had that best part of it, which is those parabolic explosions. Cronos coin is right now historically at its bottom versus Bitcoin, which means we can come up from there. And we got to understand that the Cronos chain, right? And this is the Cronos token. It's the gas token for the Cronos chain. This is its first ever bull market. The Cronos chain, that is. This is its first ever bull market where it's existed. It's got an opportunity. The meme coin mania that we saw was beautiful. I still remain very bullish on CRO, but we have to look at the facts. CRO's at the bottom right now. It hasn't been performing beautifully versus Bitcoin, though it is big time up from its lows at 4 cents, up about 2.5x, about 2.5x still. We have this bull market coming. Cronos is new. Cronos has been growing. Let's see what happens, my friends. I'm still bullish. I still think we can see that $2 to $5 price prediction, though, increasingly over time. I do believe that this is going to happen towards the end of this bull cycle. Are you trading around? Are you accumulating more CRO only? Are you diversifying into some of the tokens within the Cronos ecosystem? Are you trying to earn more CRO by trading around into other tokens? I want to know what your thoughts are, CRO fam. I want to know where your heads are at. Because there's one thing that's for sure. Crypto.com has some of the biggest marketing presence in the entire crypto industry, and the Cronos chain is just getting started. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below, guys. That's all I got in this one. I'm Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Smash a like, subscribe to the channel. Do your own research, my friends. And as always, don't forget, I got more videos coming for you later. I'll see you in the next one, folks. Peace, y'all.